What are you doing? Come here, man. What are you doing? What are you running from? What are you running from? Hey, I'm behind you. Deputy Captain Sheriff's Office, what are you doing?
Where am I?
Bravo 312 Flagler.
312.
He's alert and conscious. He seems confused. If you could just start bed.
Yeah, Bravo 5 minutes.
What are you doing, man? Hey, you have any weapons on you? What are you doing? Did you take something? What's going on? What are you doing, man? He was at this DAV. I turn around the DAV, he takes off running.
This guy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then I stop right here, and this guy doesn't even know who he is. He comes running back here and jumps in the back of his truck.
Secure him?
Yeah, probably for now. Come here, man. I don't know if he's got a medical thing going on or what. So actually, just give me a second. You don't know him, right?
I have no idea who he is.
Do you own this property?
What's that?
You own this property?
No, I am a member of this hunting club.
Okay.
I'll please stand. Sure. Getting ready to unlock the gate and he come barreling up underneath me and bailed in the back of the truck.
But do you know his name at all?
No, I don't know anything, bro. He just
All
woke
right,
up.
man. Hey, buddy. Just call the officer.
Yeah.
Hey,
What'd you take?
come on, step out.
What'd you take? All right, hey, relax. Come sit right here. I want you to sit right here. I want you to sit down right here and not stand up again. Sit down right here.
We'll get water, man.
Don't get up.
Rescue him out.
What'd you take, bro? You started running from me for no reason. Were you driving?
No.
What's going on? Did you take something?
Yeah, rescue him out.
Yeah. If you keep the light on real quick. What'd you take, man?
Vanilla 23. Not sure if it was advised, but we're out with that meal that ran.
Yeah, stay right here, okay?
Careful, they're on the way.
Hey, we don't have any charges.
He just came out. He's so long. Copy, meal they're running. See your channel again? Back in the car.
Come here! Come here!
Final unit 1033, Carbonell 23, West 100, westbound 20, tail running. 5 each morning.